Introducing the model ZM-R730A BGA rework station, designed specifically for placing very small components down to 0.1 millimeter pitch, very large components up to 80 millimeter, and can be customized for up to 150 millimeter chips. The high resolution split vision camera allows you to easily align the component to the PCB, and you can confirm placement and solder reflow via the side view camera. The robotic vision system allows you to view the perimeter of the BGA for accurate alignment, one of the only machines currently available that can view the perimeter of components as large as 150 millimeter. Simple to use and easy to program with touchscreen operation. Provides even heating with spot upper and lower heaters that use a variety of magnetically attached heat nozzles, and incorporates a rapid heat cobalt area heater for dense PCBs with many layers, available exclusively from Precision PCB Services, Inc.